Okay, daily 5 factorising, and we're at day 18. So our first question, we have a few common factors here. So we've got a common factor of 8. We also have an m squared, and we've got an n. So it leaves us with just an n there for the first term in the bracket, and then in the second term, we've got minus 2. In our, do a quick check, 8m squared n times n is going to give us the 8m squared n squared, and we've got a minus 16 there, so 8 times minus 2 gives us a minus 16 m squared n. For our second one, using our grouping method, so we're looking at the first two terms, they have a common factor of 9, so they'll be outside of a take b, and then we have a common factor of 4a outside of a take b for that second part. So we can take that common factor of a take b out the front, and then we're left with 9 plus 4a in the bracket. For our third one, we have a difference of 2 squares, so we've got 8p all squared minus q squared. So we can write that as 8p take q and 8p plus q. For our fourth one, we've got our monic quadratic, so we've got a equals 1, b equals negative 6, c equals negative 7, so our ac is equal to negative 7, b is equal to negative 6. So two numbers that will multiply to give negative 7 but add to give negative 6, and again will be negative 7 and 1. So we can put that straight in the brackets and have y take 7 and y plus 1. Our last one, we have a non-monic, so we're writing our a equals 4, b equals negative 27, c equals 35. Always check for a common factor. There's no common factor between those three. So we've got 4 times 35 is going to be 140, and our b is negative 27. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 140, but add to give negative 27. So we're going to need two negative numbers. And if we divide our 140 by 14, we get 10. So that's not going to get us a difference of 27. So that's 24. So trying something a little bit lower or higher. Okay, 140 divided by 20 gives us 7. So if we make that negative 20 and negative 7, we can then put that back in. So negative 20 times negative 7 will give us the positive 140 and add to give negative 27. So we've got 4x squared minus 20x minus 7x plus 35. Looking at the first two terms, common factor of 4x outside of x take 5. In the second two terms, common factor, if we take a negative 7 out the front, then that will give us x minus 5 in that bracket. So we can bring the x minus 5 to the front and 4x minus 7 in that second bracket.